I'm Councillor Mary Linehan Foley. I am the Mayor of the County of Cork.
I'm Councillor Katie Murphy.
My name is Councillor Danielle Toomey.
My name is Councillor Patrick Jordan Murphy.
Is mis Cllr Gobna ní Bhuinechaim, Councillor Gobna Maithin.
I am Councillor John Paul O'Shea.
My father was a town councillor, which is local level politics, for 44 years. So in our house, unlike other houses that discuss GAA, rugby or things like that, we discuss politics.
As a single parent, I found that there was such a lot of barriers for us to try and progress in our life.
But I was always active in my community, especially in the areas of mental health and disability. And I was approached by party activists to stand for election. And I suppose, thinking back, I decided that it was a good thing to do and a natural fit.
And I think there was a lack of young blood in there as well, so I really wanted to get in and try and make a difference and represent young people.
Tá saoil dacha goin is mar atá, like, you know, tá lán foiban áwan, agus bhí an dtína gúil se cruúig, you know, so ní hastíim go bheith sé níos cruúig a chuoine, agus hastíim gúil den éigen ann dóibh, you know, gúil den éigen an chun éisteach leo.
I think the highlight has certainly been when I got elected as the Mayor of Cork County, the biggest county in Ireland. I'm only the third woman in 100 years that has ever been awarded this, so it's a massive, massive honour for me.
Cam gúil se tharbh táchtach gúil den éigen ann a gcór gachéine. Go bhfuil tú ná an fiachint ar na ghuine na cóirlóirí go léir atá sa cóirle agus rá óráid se chur mar gléachar duine sa.
I suppose like being involved in community groups at home, be it a local tidy towns group or a residents association, so I grew up with that, so I knew nothing more. Was something I thought was, you know, great that I could do it for home, but I could also do it for a number of other communities in my own area.
So I think it's very, very important to have people from all walks of life involved in politics, because they're able to give their story, and their story is the most important story because they've gone through it, basically.
Everybody brings something different to the table, and without true diversity, not everybody is represented.
I am Chairman of the Social Inclusion and Community SPC here in Cork County. Social inclusion means including everybody. Whether you're a member of the Cllr community or any other ethnic group, it is important that your voice is heard throughout Cork County.
The more diverse voices and diverse interests we have within this chamber, the better decisions we make and the more inclusive and tolerant we can make our society.
Everyone brings their own diversity and own opinions and uniqueness to it, so I think that's what politics is all about.
I think it's hugely important we have diversity in local government. We now represent a lot of nationalities that live in County Cork.
Women bring a clearer and more balanced debate to the political arena, specifically on issues that affect us directly, like childcare, education and pay parity.
They represent half the population, really. They have different things to bring to the table and to the relevant departments.
And if they're not going to be at local level, they're not going to be at national level, so I think it's really important to try to get females, especially younger females, involved in politics and give them the interest there.
Tá gailing gcór gachéine, seo cúnta mór agus tá gá gailteacht a going, so gailteacht fús gurí agus gailing ar gailteacht i lán cléire. Tá gailing gcór gachéine agus is socha mohíam go gaithí an cóirla an gailing a chiméad chun cín an tám ar fad.
If you have a love for your community, if you have a love for your hometown, if you have a love for your home area, politics is certainly something that you should think about getting involved in.
I would say be the change that you want to see in your own society.
It will give you an opportunity to make change, influence policy and make a difference in the areas you are passionate about.
I suppose the first advice I give to people is to get involved in their own local community, because there's no better way of knowing local democracy and local government without getting involved in your own community.
Tá lán ghuine ann agus thaid chun bheith tuairteach. Butach in ar an le just ná bacla, just leanaráid din the dhéhal go bra.